Hi, I'm Christy. In this video, we're going to show you an amazing product that can help protect you and your family from the ravages of hurricanes, save you money every single month, and it's good for the environment. With the cost of energy always going up and the threat of hurricanes, can you really afford not to take advantage? Take a look at this.
What if there were a way to protect your home from storm damage, strengthen its roof, and seal out nearly 100% of exterior moisture? What if there were a way to insulate your home, make it more efficient, and save money on your monthly heating or cooling bill? What if there were a way you could do all of this at one time with one green product that is safe, quick, easy to install, and that can be applied to any home, old or new? InsulStar Plus foam adhesive makes it possible.
With InsulStar Plus foam adhesive, you will have the peace of mind when it comes to hurricane season. InsulStar Plus keeps the water out and your roof secure. Watch this amazing demonstration. As you can see, we're using an average-sized home with an average-sized roof. Now we have Fireman Cable here, and he's going to put a lot of pressure on this roof, the equivalent of a Category 2 hurricane. We're talking about over 100 pounds of water pressure. Shingles flying, and that's when the water intrusion begins. We'll get back to Fireman Cable in just a couple of minutes to see if he can penetrate InsulStar Plus. But first, let's take a look and see what's actually happening to prevent the water from coming in. There are gaps and holes in every roof, the roof over your head and your neighbor's head. It's just the way the process is. The average home, in fact, has gaps that equal 1 1/2 sheets of plywood missing in every roof. These gaps are where the water intrusion begins. Now the InsulStar Plus is being sprayed on, and in a matter of minutes, those gaps in your home are filled, and that will prevent water intrusion, which causes damage to your home, to your possessions, and all of your irreplaceable personal belongings. The application, as you see, is immediate, and in seconds you have 24-hour-a-day protection. Now we're putting the roof to the test. This is the roof where the InsulStar Plus was applied. As you can see, over 100 pounds of water pressure is being applied, and there is no water penetration. Remember, some of the biggest problems with Hurricane Charlie and Hurricane Andrew were the homes being condemned because of the mold and mildew due to water penetration. It's the job of InsulStar Plus to stop that. No more blue tarps. Tell FEMA to keep them. That was pretty amazing, wasn't it? You saw the power of the hose and all that water coming in. Now listen to this. We're going to hear a testimonial from a man named Mr. Gomez who survived 1992's Hurricane Andrew. His house, in fact, was one of the few left standing. Take a look at this.
This house right here that we're at, when Hurricane Andrew hit here, we had over 50 families here in this actual house, and they were protected. And it was just a testimonial of what the foam adhesive can really do. And it holds the roof, the trusses, the plywood together. And as a matter of fact, not even one drop of water came inside if we had any type of water damage. But the most important thing that my father's life was saved.
Now remember, you're watching a simulation here that roughly demonstrates a Category 2 hurricane. The hurricane that Mr. Gomez was talking about was a Category 5, Hurricane Andrew. But a Category 2 is doing enough damage, shaking those shingles off, and as you can see from the interior, that the InsulStar Plus is preventing the water intrusion. You really don't even see a drop coming through there. Remember, the damage comes from the water. Your roof is the first line of defense. And once that is breached, it's just a matter of time before gallons and gallons of water pour into your home. That was amazing, wasn't it? Mr. Gomez is saying that this product literally saved his father's life. There was no water intrusion, and the roof stayed strong and intact during 1992's Hurricane Andrew. Now let's take a look and see how this foam adhesive can make your roof stronger.
Today we're going to be simulating a pull test of a roof deck attachment assembly here for nailed to code. We have our trusses and we have our plywood. Everything's nailed to code. We're going to be doing a pull test on this. It's a industrial strength scale that's going to be pulling this apart, and we're going to see what the pressures come with that. And then we're also going to bring in some foam adhesive that's sprayed with InsulStar Plus foam adhesive product. We're spraying that on the back side of this, and we're going to be pulling that apart to demonstrate what Florida University did for their testing, where you can visually see how much stronger the foam adhesive product is versus just nails alone.
In this next demonstration, we're going to show an unprotected standard roof section nailed to Miami-Dade code, which is the strongest in the nation. Now remember, this roof is without InsulStar Plus. We're going to put this to the test. There it goes. Failure at 761 pounds. Now we're going to test the same standard roof. The only difference is this has been treated with InsulStar Plus. This sample also has no nails in it. The only thing that is holding it together is the InsulStar Plus. Something is going to fail. InsulStar Plus has been proven to be over 300% stronger or more than that code. Look at what's failing. Look how the extreme load is unbending a hardened steel eye bolt. There is a lot of flex in the wood, but it's holding. And there it goes. At 2,898.2 pounds, that was the eye bolt. The roof section remained intact. Wow.
Right here is the eye bolt on the complete failure test. The foam is still intact, 100%. Nothing snapped on the foam. The plywood decking didn't even break. It was bowing but did not break. The eye bolt extended out and snapped, pulled straight apart, and these other two eye bolts that we have here were actually pulling out too. So we had actually 3 failures at once. This one just failed quicker than the other two. Nothing happened with the InsulStar Plus foam adhesive product. Everything held true to what it was tested for. Storms come. You have so many storms that threaten all the coastline of the United States each and every year. Every time that cone, that red cone comes at you, you're nervous and you're wondering, should you go, should you stay, what should you do? This product gives you a lot more security on where to go, and what you're going to do during the event of a storm. And the protection of this with my family, my wife and my 2 kids, feel so much safer in our house. And all my family members have the product inside their house with the foam adhesive. They are 100% protected with that.
That is amazing, isn't it? Over 2,800 pounds of pressure. That is 3 times Miami-Dade code, which, by the way, is the strongest in the United States. And that roof stayed intact. Unbelievable. And we're not finished yet. There's one more thing InsulStar Plus can provide you and your family: energy savings. The final bonus with InsulStar Plus is insulation. Everyone wants to live in a home that is comfortably cool and heated, and everyone wants to save money on their energy bill. The average savings are from 30% to 60% with InsulStar Plus. Usually attic insulation is laid on top of your ceiling, but as we all know, the attic gets hot like an oven. What's different about InsulStar Plus is the foam is applied as the first line of defense right where it's needed, against the underside of your plywood. It prevents your attic space from getting hot, reducing the heat where all your AC ducts are running, and that allows your AC to work more efficiently.
There are a number of things to really keep in mind, and what are the benefits? One, of course, is the hurricane protection by strengthening your roof by over 3 times what the code says it has to be. 2, it's giving you the water protection. If you lose your roof covering, we're going to stop over 99% of the water. It's like having a blue tarp without the blue tarp being on it. 3, we're going to give you insulation, and that insulation is going to have a major impact on your energy use and your energy bill. And last but not least, we're going to help extend the life of your air conditioning system, because it just simply is not going to have to run as often or as long when it does run. And these things all taken together with they're breaking your homeowner's insurance, breaking your electric bill, having your roof survive a storm, having your air conditioning system last maybe years longer. It's something that will just pay for itself, and not just once, but it'll pay for itself over and over and over. And again, as energy keeps going up, and anyone you talk to, they're going to tell you, the experts, there's nowhere for energy to go but up long term. And our bills are going to keep going up, then the savings actually just gets greater and greater as time goes on.
At the end of the day, we try to build what we call a simple, decent place to live. And, you know, we build a product that adheres to all the current codes in the state of Florida, but we also want to build a product that is affordable to the end user. Because, like I said, at the end of the day, we do sell these homes, and we're looking for a product that not only is it inexpensive to build, but it's inexpensive to maintain. And we like using products that are kind of one-time applications. No other maintenance required, no other even thought process required. InsulStar Plus is one of those products where it not only provides a great benefit structurally to the house, it also provides a benefit in the sense it brings down homeowners' insurance.
InsulStar Plus is a green product. There's a number of reasons for that. First, it's a non-toxic product. It has no odors. It's a product, polyurethane. Secondly, it's made, when it's manufactured, with over 20% renewable agricultural products. And third, and maybe most importantly, is that we can see a 30 to 60% energy savings when this is applied to your roof.